The chief economist of the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has said that the conflict between Russia and Ukraine has affected access to food on a global level and could deal a blow to the crop harvest in 2023, which is a major concern.
In March, we had the biggest peak in terms of the food price index of FAO. Consumers and especially vulnerable countries are facing significant challenges to be able to procure the level of food that they need today.
Torero said the main reason behind the price increase is that Russia and Ukraine are key exporters of cereals, including maize and wheat. The FAO said that the two countries produced around 30% of the global wheat supply in 2021.
Fertilizers are not flowing at the velocity they were supposed to flow. We are really concerned that in 2023, if this is not resolved, we could have a problem of food availability and food access. If farmers are not able to sell their crops, they will lack financial resources to start the next crop season, and this will seriously affect the 2023 wheat harvest. So as of now, it remains crucial to facilitate exports from Ukraine, to free storage capacity and help farmers and their families earn income. This will also help to increase availability of wheat globally and alleviate the pressure on internal prices.
Torero said the FAO has tabled a series of policy proposals to cushion the impact of the conflict on global food security.